Hello everybody, Rhys, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I edit my videos, like what software I use and whatnot. So I have got my file already open, so I use Debut video capturing software, which I use to record my screen for like online gameplay and whatnot. I use the game DVR for when I play Minecraft on the PC to record, because else it just lags out. Here you go, YouTube. This is just what runs both of these, so I just have it there just because I can. So this is where I used to actually edit my videos. It's VideoPad Editor. I'm going to go to new project and wait for this to go away. Then you can go to add file. And okay, so this is my intro. This is what I always put in to my videos, just like that. And then I drag and drop the file there. And as you can see, it's all there. Okay, so let's just not play that because, yeah. Now let's just go get one of my random captures, because get this one. Just threw it in. And now that might cause a bit of lag, but so I'm gonna full screen this quickly. What I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna move it up a bit more so I can see more of it. And you can go to storyboard, which is just that, or you can go to timeline, which should bring up the images, but this is only a really short clip, so it's not really the best of clips to be working with. But what you can do is you can, at the moment these are locked together, so when you move it like that they all move together at once. But what you can do is you can click this, and now you can move it around freely. As you can see there, you can kind of move it around freely anyway. And I think you can lock them again. As you can see, you can go into here and effect, like, as you can see, what this does is this has a keyframe, so you can like make your voice louder, make the audio slightly lower, and then you can apply it and whatnot. So that's good, but what you can do is you can, once you clicked here, you can then choose to drag it, and then this is what my friend was having a problem with. You can do all of these, okay? Now, as they're not locked together, I don't think you get these, but what you can do is you can split all tracks. Now what you've done is you have created a space where you can add an effect. So you could do that, for example. Let's just watch that then. Hopefully it doesn't lag out. This is buffering. Okay. Oh god. Oh, this is not what. Or whatever, so that does kind of work, but that's what you do if you wanted to cut it, so you could like do that. The more complicated stuff's when you want to like zoom in to a certain area. So what I do is I don't want to split that. I want to, so as you can see, you can left click here and you can split all and it will split it, so that's basically a faster way of doing it. But what you can do is here you can go to this, let's go to that, you can double click on here, go to storyboard, go to get this, and you're going to want to go, right, what you can do is you go to video effects, the video effects, and then you're going to want to go down to, is a motion and transform. As you can see, you can make it all do that. Don't want to do that. So go back to timeline, just double click that, go video effects, go down to motion, zoom. Now what you'll get is you'll get something like this, and what you can do is you can, right here is you select the area. So I wanted to zoom in on the Minecraft thing, so you could do that there. Okay. but you don't want it to do that for the whole thing. So what you can do is you can play. Yeah, we will. Oh, and then once you got to a point where you want to do it, add keyframe. Now that will do it for all of it. So what should happen is, so now what you can do is you can look at this and you can see. So you can make okay, so there we go. And what I'm basically doing now, guys, is I am just making sure that it doesn't stay zoomed in for the whole time. But we will. Oh, I will be. So once that's there, add keyframe, and then, or I could just do that and drag it, and it'll automatically add the keyframe in, like that. And as you can see, it's there. And then what you can do is you can move this along a bit, and that'll give it a time. So as you can see here, this is, I did it in one of my other videos. I will be as you can see, there we go, it works. But I'm not sure what's going on with the audio, I do apologise for that, but yeah, that's how I do that. So the tools, you want to keep the some of my tools top highlighted. If it is, just highlight it so you got that. If you don't want the, I'm not really sure what background has, I just have it selected anyway. Make sure you have keyframes on as well. If you don't, then it's not going to work. You can also, if you're using a green screen, you can add effect, go to green screen. The feature you're attempting to use is not available professional. Okay, so you need the professional version for that, so I don't have that, but that's all fine, so I don't ever want to use it. You can add some all different types of effects to it, and but how I actually got to download the software that I'm using right now to record the screen is I went to record screen. Now this may load up another one of these, but it should try to download the software into your computer. If it doesn't, then if all you do is then you'll get brought up to something that looks like this, except it won't be like this. You won't have the record, it'll obviously be a red button. But what you're going to want to do, how long have I been recording? 7 minutes. Well, as you guys can see, every time I click you see stuff, okay? So that you can see my screen. So what I do is that you can do your webcam, which I'm not gonna do because you will see me and whatnot. You can like plug different types of devices in. You can check your recorded files. As you can see here, I've done 3, and I'm gonna do, because I don't know why I just did 3. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna go file. No, you're not. You're gonna want to go to settings, but I don't think I can do it on options. No, wait, what I'll do is I'll try to load a different one where I'm not actually recording on. Right, oh, no, let me open a new file. Open. No, I don't think I can do it at this moment. Why can't I open it as again? I don't think I can edit anything while I'm recording. But you're going to want to record screen as AVI, so it's going to be like, click there, and if it's not AVI, you're going to want to click there and select AVI, and it should work. Show cursor when recording, that is up again, up to you guys, your own personal preference. I could take it off, but I just prefer to have it on. I mean, because I only use this when I'm doing tutorials, like how to install stuff and whatnot, so I only use this software for doing tutorials, and I think it's just easier if I just use the click. Show cursor and stuff. Show select rectangle. Again, this is, again, what you can do is center. I'm going to mess around with that because I'm not sure what they do. Screen capture, what you can do is you can zoom, view, tools, mouse settings. Right, so if we go down to mouse settings, I don't know what any of them do. Right, so I'm going to get rid of them. So what you're going to do, we probably want to do is you're going to want to go to Tools, Mouse Settings, and actually I'm going to pause the recording quickly so I can actually go into that file. So oh yeah, by the way, let's go. So you want to press that when you just want to record. Press that pause thing to pause the recording, and that will stop the recording completely. So I'm going to pause it, guys, and be back in a sec. Alright guys, it turns out that I cannot do it. I don't know why, but I guess if you guys would like a full tutorial on how to use all of the software, I will just leave a comment down below in the comment section. Yeah, just leave a comment down below and I will make sure to do that, because this is only really to show you like what I use to record my videos. I use that, and you can also use record audio and narrate over the top of it, so while it's playing, just click record and then you can just like, yeah, hello, blah blah blah.
On this in a couple of
yeah. So what you can do is you can like narrate, like talk over the gameplay, and that's what I do sometimes. You can add text by clicking add text and then just type in your text there. Let's just not do anything for the time being. You can add blank. You just like add a blank file, as you can see here. Just that's all it is. You can use it to make like an outro or whatnot. Blah blah blah. You can put subtitles on if you really want to, and also before you like render out your video, you can click preview, and this is what the video will look like with all the effects and stuff added in. You can just drag and drop this all the way back if you really wanted to, but yeah, that's again your own personal choice. But you can then go to clips and whatnot, and like I've got like 2 video files, I've got 1 sequence, got no audio files, but you can add music files like this. So you see here, I've got all of this, like that's music, and those 2 music. So you can just add music in there. I'm not going to play it for copyright reasons, but see, process, and then just drop it in, and you can have that going on in your video. But once you are done, I think that's basically everything I have covered. Oh, I've not really messed with this before. I don't know what I've just done. What have I done? I think I've just downloaded some more editing software to play with. Oh, I think this is a video, this is a photo editor. But okay, let's just upload. Okay, let's just get this one. You can crop it. You can edit. You can flip it. Oh, color. Blimmin' heck. Flipping Henry blur. I didn't know I could do that. Oh mate, that must be how they like get all the blur and whatnot. Oh well, oil paint. Okay, let's just don't save. Right, I'm gonna go delete that afterwards. I don't know what's all of this. Anyway, guys, I am gonna go mess around with all of this because this looks cool. So actually, no. What you're gonna do is you're gonna save the file, and then you're gonna click this here. Export file. Now, if you, I'll leave a proper tutorial on how to use all of this. I'll bring another tutorial if you guys want a proper one. But I have this file set .wmv. I have it set for YouTube. I have it. You can change the name of it here. Like if you save it, the name will change. But I have that there. I think you can do it as an AVI, but I just do it as one of those because I'm cheap. I don't have the full version, so yeah. And then you just click create, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to cancel that. Cancel exports. So then we go, you wait for it to export, and when it's exported, then... Ooh, go away, I don't want to buy you. What it will do is it will send it to wherever you save it, so... desktop... It will send it to this, as you can see. What should I do? That was my last video I've done. Untitled, I don't know, that might be this one. New project, as you guys can see, thank you. All my new videos are there, because that's where I save them to. Anyway guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Yeah, leave a comment down below. Till next time guys, peace out.